What's up?
Here, maybe you can see me better like that. We're here in Midtown Tulsa. January. It's supposed to be like 70 degrees today instead of 20. So great day for some tree work. We'll be doing this tree here in the backyard. They're actually they're going to be dozing this house. They're just going to be scraping it tomorrow or the next day maybe. So they just want this tree out of their way. There's Tyler. Say hi, Tyler. So we don't even have to haul it off today. Just have to drop it and leave it. So we're about halfway up the tree. We've removed all these smaller branches along the way. Okay, so we are over here on this far right wing, and got the fence right below me. They're demoing the house, but not the fence, so I'm gonna try cut it so it doesn't fall right on the house. Okay, we're done. There go the bees.